Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making okra soup. So you're going to use any protein of your choice. I'm using snails, I'm using cow tripe, I'm using cow skin, I'm using stockfish. So you're going to season with every seasoning of your choice. You can see I just added my blended peppers, which is a mixture of pepper and onion. So you proceed and let the meat cook until it is well cooked, soft and chewable. So I proceeded to add my shrimps and my fish. So I'm using this fish for the very first time. I think it is called kingfish. So I added more water, just a little bit of oil and crayfish. So I'm going to stir and cover and let it cook for some time until it is well cooked. So here I have two okra. I actually cut the two and separated them. One is my lifesaver okra, so I'm going to use this one, put in the water, add my sodium bicarbonate, and I am going to cook for at least 2 minutes or until it starts boiling. But at this point you wouldn't let it boil out of the pot, because if you do that, nutrient is lost. So when it's boiled enough, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to transfer it into the pot of the beef I have been cooking, and I'm going to stir properly to make sure everything is well incorporated. I'm going to add all my seasonings again and taste. Then you can see my lifesaver okra. This is going to make the okra soup very crunchy. Add more seasonings and taste, stir, and your okra soup is ready. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Please subscribe, help my channel grow. I love you and see you in my next video. Mwah!